Good morning, Lavi team. Welcome to the main checkpoint at ATL. This is our queue guard system. A couple of things to note. Number one, there were already existing magnetic stanchions, so we just had to integrate queue guard into the existing magnetic stanchion queue by putting our standoffs. We did bring tall posts just to ensure a little bit more rigidity and stability to the queue, hence the rigid rail crossbars. And if you follow me, an important thing to note about our queue guard system is that about every 5 to 10 panels, you want to ensure that there's a gap in the queue. So you'll notice here there's a gap, here there's a gap. This is to ensure a safe egress for passengers when there's a long row of queue guard. This is something that the fire department have imposed at Atlanta, and they even imposed that they're staggered in some cases. Besides that, just one final thing to note, if you follow me this way, our rigid rail crossbars comes with grooves. You're all familiar with our rigid rail signage where the groove faces down from the top, and then you've got another component where the groove faces up. That allows for signage. One opportunity we have for signage is actually to just slot in some Sintra or some sort of signage up here to indicate to passengers where to proceed, what to expect, so on and so forth. That's it. We've got a couple more nights of work. It's a great use case.